This brand is built by Rheem Manufacturing, which is a part of the Paloma Group, and the water heaters are sold through home improvement stores such as the Home Depot and Menards, but the guarantee on the tanks is not as good as some of the other brands. The Essential Series offers basic water heaters as well as models with a port for demand response programs from utility companies. The Encore Series model has built-in Wi-Fi as well as leak detection with a water shutoff valve to protect the home. They can be controlled with voice commands from Alexa or Google, and they feature durable stainless steel heating elements. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy.